Great news, folks. There's a giant object hurtling through our solar system at 130,000 miles an hour. Some scientists call it a comet, others a potential alien mothership. Personally, I just call it Monday, and let's not panic too much just yet. It's officially named 3I Atlas, as it's the third interstellar object we have observed travelling through our system. But I'm just going to call it Atlas so my brain doesn't hurt. Atlas is big, like Michael Bay would definitely cast it as the comet for an Armageddon sequel big. We're talking 12 miles across. For scale, that's larger than Manhattan or about 12,000 football fields, depending on whether you prefer science units or ESPN units. So why are some scientists and UFO experts trying to say that this might not be just a rock? Here's their case in 6 sci-fi flavoured nuggets. First up, it's too big. Asteroids and comets vary in size, sure, but this one is a bit of a chunky boy. Think less Pebble in space and more Death Star on cheat day.
Lock S-foils in attack position.
Second, it's going way too fast for comfort, about 130,000 miles per hour. That's so quick, it makes a Formula 1 car look like your grandma's shopping trolley. At that speed, you could get from Earth to the Moon in about 2 hours, or binge half a season of Stranger Things while your spacecraft cruises past Venus. Third, we spotted it really late. It came from the centre of the galaxy, where light and stars made it hard to see, which sounds suspiciously like the exact route a sneaky alien probe would take in, say, Independence Day Resurgence. And yes, sadly, that was a real movie.
It was a spaceship.
Fourth, its course is basically uninterceptable. Every time it passes a spot where we might detect something weird, the sun gets in the way. Which, if this thing really is an alien craft, is the celestial equivalent of using your big brother as a human shield in dodgeball.
Usually you pay double for that kind of action, Cotton.
Fifth, it's passing Venus, Mars and Jupiter on the way through. Totally random, right? Yeah, no. The odds of this happening naturally are basically zero. That's like going on a road trip and accidentally stopping at every single McDonald's drive-thru on the interstate. Sounds more like a survey mission to me. Finally, at its closest approach, we won't even see it, because the sun will be blocking it. How convenient. That means it could be pulling all the spaceship trips in the book, braking, flipping, deploying probe babies, and we'd have no clue. Think Cloaking Device 101, Starfleet Academy. So yeah, Harvard astrophysiologist Avi Loeb and UFO legend Nick Pope basically looked at Atlas and said, yeah, suspicious. Which in science speak means we've seen this movie and it didn't end well. Could it be a giant rock? Totally. Could it be an alien mothership? Maybe, maybe not. Or maybe it's just Jeff Bezos' new space yacht. Who knows? All I'm saying is, if little metal probes start falling into your backyard, don't poke them with a stick. That's how every horror movie starts. Now, if Atlas is an alien ship, what's the plan? 1. It could just cruise by, mapping our planets like some interstellar Google Street View car. 2. It could deploy probes, like space mosquitoes, buzzing around until you lose your mind. Or 3. It changes course and heads straight for Earth. At which point, we'll all finally understand why Elon keeps building those bunkers in Texas. The good news. This is a testable hypothesis. We'll soon know if it's just a rock or the start of Independence Day 3. The bad news, if it's the latter, Netflix is probably already green-lighting a limited series starring Pedro Pascal. So, comet or cosmic Uber? We'll find out soon enough. Until then, don't panic. Just keep doing what you're doing, doom scrolling on your phone, binging Marvel movies in release order, and pretending you actually understand Inception. Because if aliens are watching, they're already confused enough. This has been your Cosmic Public Service announcement. Stay curious and maybe keep an eye on the sky, just in case. But I wouldn't worry too much. Thank you for watching our video, and now there's only one thing left to say.
Hasta la vista, baby.